Grab some contact paper and plywood to save yourself hundreds and get a high-end look for less. First, rip the plywood down to size. I used my circular saw for this part. Then, to create the shelves for this piece, I first traced a semicircle on a piece of plywood. Then, I cut it out with a jigsaw. After all the pieces are cut, you'll want to sand everything down until it is nice and smooth. Open up the new Craig pocket hole jig for a super easy and secure way to assemble your new furniture piece. It's so easy to clamp, even one-handed. Then, drill a few pocket holes and secure it all together with a little wood glue and pocket hole screws. My piece has some semicircle middle shelves that go along either side of the base. As a finishing touch, you can iron on a little edge banding to hide the unfinished plywood edges. Then apply your stain. I like to use old socks over a gloved hand for super easy application. You could also consider painting your piece depending on what you'd like to do. Now, unroll the marble print contact paper and cut it to size. Peel away the backing and smooth it out over the top shelf. You want to make sure to get out any wrinkles or air bubbles so that it looks nice and smooth. I used my hand, but you could also use something soft like the back edge of a credit card. Once everything is nice and smooth, I added a final strip of edge banding along the top edge, and then gave it a faux metal finish with a little copper paint. And take a look at this beautiful finished side table. I hope this inspires you to create your own high-end furniture dupe. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you next time.